Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is super exciting. We just got this in the mail for my wife, the Doja Cat Vie signed CD. Let's open it up together and see what this signed insert looks like. And then I'll share my thoughts about whether I believe the signature is real or possibly an Autopen. The video will be about 3 minutes, so let's jump right in. I'll slide out the insert, and wow, there it is. The insert has the signature right here. You can see the ink, the shape, the flow. Let me bring it closer to the camera for you all to see. Okay, so here's where things get tricky. Some people online are already speculating that these signatures are done via Autopen, meaning a mechanized device doing the signing rather than Doja Cat herself. Others argue that since this is a limited signed edition, it's supposed to be genuine. From my inspection, the lines show slight natural variation, good sign. But there's also a very consistent pressure across many letters, which could hint at Autopen. The signature is clean and without major ink bleed or smudges, which is often seen in mass Autopens. So, I can't conclusively say one way or the other. I lean maybe real, but could be Autopen. I'd love to hear your take in the comments. If you've seen verified Doja signatures, compare notes. Alright, let's flip through the booklet a little so you can see the design. Right off the bat, Doja's team always goes heavy on the visuals. The colors, the retro vibe, that 70s, 80s inspiration is really clear here. All in all, I'm thrilled to have this. Whether it's real or Autopen doesn't completely take away from the piece itself. It's a cool collectible, especially with Vi being such a standout album with its 70s/80s influences. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss my next unboxings. Drop your verdict in the comments. Real or Autopen? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.